Hi viewers, welcome back. My name is Sarfraz Ahmad and in this episode I will recite a poem which name If by Rudyard Kipling, who was an English journalist, short story writer, poet and novelist. He was born on 30 December 1865 in Bombay, Presidency of British India. He was educated in England but returned to India in 1882. A decade later, Kipling married Caroline Balestier and settled in Brattleboro, Vermont, where he wrote The Jungle Book in 1894. Among a host of other works that made him hugely successful, Kipling was the recipient of the 1907 Nobel Prize in Literature. He died in 1936. Viewers, I will recite this poem in two different languages, which is English and Hindi. But before starting, I want to summarize this poem. So in this poem, the poet says we should be calm and cool amidst difficulties. We should not boast of our doing. We should not hate the common people. We should not waste our time. We should not be afraid of difficulties. We should not be nervous. We should not speak ill of others. We should be practical and hopeful. We should not be discouraged by defeats. In the same way, we should not be puffed up by unsuccess. If our actions are guided by these principles, we will be successful and our life will be perfect. Now let's get start the poem. If you can keep your head when all about you are losing theirs and blaming it on you. If you can trust yourself when all men doubt you, but make allowance for their doubting too. If you can wait and not be tired of waiting or being lied about, don't deal in lies. Or being hated, don't give way to hating. And yet, don't look too good, not talk too wise. If you can dream and not make dreams your master. If you can think and not make thoughts your aim. If you can meet with triumph and disaster and treat those two impostors just the same. If you can bear to hear the truth you have spoken, twisted by knaves to make a trap for fools, or watch the things you gave your life to broken, and stop and build them up with worn or tools. If you can make one heap of all your winnings and risk it on one turn of pitch and toss, and loss and start again at your beginnings, and never breathe a word about your loss. If you can force your heart and nerve and sinew to serve your turn long after they are gone, and so hold on when there is nothing in you except the will which says to them, hold on. If you can talk with crowds and keep your virtue, or walk with kings nor lost the common touch, if neither foes nor loving friend can hurt you, if all men count with you but none too much, if you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours is the earth and everything that is in it. And which is more, you'll be a man, my son. If you can fill the unforgiving minute with 60 seconds worth of distance run, yours in the earth and everything that is in it. And which is more, you'll be a man, my son. यदि तुम रख सकते धीरज जब हर कोई हुआ अधीर, दोषारोपण तुम पर करके कटु शब्दों के मारे तीर। यदि निज पर रख सकते श्रद्धा जब तुम पर हो सबकी शंका, ज्ञात नहीं हो तुमको कारण क्यों सब हैं करते आशंका। यदि तुम कर सकते प्रतीक्षा तन मन की थकान बिना, सबकी झूठी बातें सुन भी सत्य बोलना तुमने चुना। यदि नहीं करते किसी से नफरत, यद्यपि नफरत करते लोग, अपनी श्रेष्ठता नहीं दिखाते मन में होता है संकोच। यदि देख सकते तुम सपने पर सपनों के दास नहीं, यदि विचार कर सकते मन में ध्येय तुम्हारा विचार नहीं। यदि तुम रख सकते समता, जीत मिले या हार मिले, दोनों एक समान समझते बादल हो या धूप खिले। यदि तुम में सुनने की शक्ति, सीधी सच्ची बात तुम्हारी, तोड़ मोड़ के गई पड़ोसी, उलझन पैदा करती भारी। यदि देख सकते हो ढहते जिसे बनाते आयु गुजारी, जीर्ण शीर्ण उपकरण जुटाकर पुनर्निर्माण की यदि तैयारी। यदि तुम कर सकते संग्रह जीवन भर जो कुछ भी कमाया, यदि लगा सकते हो दांव पर सारी पूंजी जो कुछ पाया, यदि हार जाने पर सब कुछ कर सकते शुरुआत नई, ना ही मन में ग्लानि करते ना ही हार की बात कोई। यदि कर सकते हृदय को वश में, अंग अंग को नस नस को, कि वे साथ तुम्हारा दे जब हुए अचेतन वे सब हो। यदि रोक कर रख सकते हो जीवन के अंतिम तृण को, इच्छा शक्ति इतनी प्रबल हो, रुके रहो तुम यह प्रण हो। यदि कर सकते बात हो सबसे, सद्गुण अपने खोते नहीं, राजा के संग चलते हुए भी अपनी सरलता खोते नहीं। यदि प्रिय मित्र व्यथित नहीं करते, दुखी नहीं करते शत्रु कोई, सबके लिए है सोच तुम्हारी, विशेष नहीं है परंतु कोई। यदि भर सकते 1 मिनट में 60 क्षणों में जो दूरी चली, दृढ़ संकल्प डिगा नहीं सकती कोई परिस्थिति बुरी भली। यह पूरी वसुधा है तुम्हारी, वो सब कुछ जो इसमें हो। हे पुत्र मेरे इन सबसे बढ़कर तुम मानो हो, तुम मानो हो। I can confidently say that you will like this video. Click on like button if you like this video. My aim is to 5000 like, so don't disappoint me. Down this video you will find a red button that is subscribe. Click on it. Then next to it you will see a bell icon. Press on it so that you can get notification first of our next video. And this is all totally free. So viewers, that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Peace.